Hi class 2, welcome to English literature class. All of you please take out chapter number 11, Saving the Lemmy. So I think already all of you have read the story. So today we are going to do the exercise. So last class I have told you to do this as homework. Page number 120. All of you please open page number 120. I have told you to solve this exercise. I hope all of you have done. So today I am going to discuss the answer. So all of you please check your answer. Okay. So number 1. Put a tick against the sentences that are true and put a cross against those that are false. Number A. Daju and grandmother took care of plants and trees. Daju and grandmother, both of them took care of plants and trees in the story. Yes, they took care of the plants and trees. So, you put a tick mark over here. Okay. Then, number B. It is easy to find a Lemmy plant. In the story, it was very easy to find a Lemmy plant. No, it was not easy to find. It was very difficult. No, they were Kanchi was searching for the Lemmy plant for a long time. So, this is not correct. It is not easy to find a Lemmy plant. So, give a cross. Number B, you give a cross. Okay. Then number C. Grandmother carried an umbrella to the forest. Yes, grandmother carried an umbrella to the forest. So, give a tick mark. Then number D. Kanchi saw a squirrel in the forest. Kanchi saw a squirrel was jumping in the forest, no, when she entered the forest. So, it is correct. And number E. Kanchi enjoyed her trip to the forest. So, do you think Kanchi enjoyed the trip? I think she enjoyed her trip because when she was coming back home, she was all the memories, whatever she collected from that forest, and I think she was delighted, okay, with all the memories. So, you please give it correct, tick mark, okay. Now we are coming to the second portion, number 2, that is given, choose the correct answer. So, all of you, please, I think if you have done it, it's okay. Then you check the answer. If you have not done, please see. Number A. Kanchi, Daju and grandmother went to the forest. 3 options are there. Number 1, for a picnic by the waterfall. For what reason Kanchi, Daju and grandmother went to the forest? For a picnic by the waterfall. Number 2, to look for the Lemmy plant. Number 3, to look for oak trees. For which reason? Reason is number 2, to look for the Lemmy plant. So, number 2, you tick mark. Number 2 is the correct answer. To look for the Lemmy plant. Then number B. When Kanchi found the Lemmy, she, number 1, called grandmother and Daju. Number 2, she picked a bunch to take back for her mother. Number 3, she did not realize what it was. So, the correct answer is Roman number 1. That is, when Kanchi found the Lemmy, she called grandmother and Daju. Number 1 is the correct answer. And number C, when Daju saw the Lemmy, when Daju saw the Lemmy, he, number 1, called grandmother and Kanchi. Number 2, drew its picture in his notebook and noticed where it grew. And number 3, immediately collected some seeds for planting. So, what is the correct answer? That is number 2. C answer is number 2, Roman number 2. Okay. That is, when Daju saw the Lemmy, he drew its picture in his notebook and noticed where it grew. Okay. Now, reference to the context, question answer is there. I will give you the question answers in the Telegram group. And now see, in page number 121, there is a word wall, parts of a tree. So, if I point out the picture over here, I think you cannot see it properly. So, I am giving you this as homework. All of you please take the help of your parents and mark the parts of the students. This Word world parts of a tree: branch, twig, trunk, bark, leaves, flowers, fruits, roots. Okay. So please mark all the parts of this tree by seeing the picture. Okay. And in next class, I am going to do the grammar time. Okay. So bye all of you.